Hello and good afternoon, everyone. We are here for RAI. Let's start the interview with the introduction about Rishabh Instruments and Sir also.
Thank you so much for this interview, and we welcome you to our stall of Rishabh Instruments Limited. Here we are presenting our solar inverter division where we manufacture solar inverters.
Is there any new innovations that Rishabh Instruments is currently working on?
Yes, first of all, if you see our tagline, it says that this is the India's first solar inverter to be 100% designed, developed, and manufactured in India. It is conceptualized also by the Indian engineers, and this is the only inverter company in India which manufactures the Indian product. And when we design this product, we have kept in mind that it has to be suitable for Indian conditions. Like, for example, in India, many parts of India, we have 50-degree temperature. None of the European inverters work at 50 degree at full power. Our inverters will give you full power even at 50 degrees Celsius. And then we have IP66 inverters. We have voltage up to 1100 volt. And these are the few things which makes it truly Indian.
So, how Rishabh Instruments is adapting new technological advancements?
Yes, so in the new latest inverters, we have used the latest IGBTs from Infineon, the capacitors from Epcos Japan. There are no fans. It is fanless inverters because India we have dusty conditions, so we have done away with fans and it's natural cooling. And so these are the technological challenges that we have overcome and launched with the new features.
What are the other segments or offerings that from Rishabh Instruments side?
In other segments, we are well known for our multimeters, transducers, analog panel meters. We are the #1 manufacturers in the world. We have recently launched insulation testers, which can be used for substations. Again, all these products are 100% Indian, and there are no Chinese components in that.
So, uh, what are the new opportunities or trends that you see for solar industry?
Oh, solar is going through a very accelerated growth phase. Uh, we are currently not exporting the inverters because we are not able to cater to the Indian market itself. Mr. Narendra Modi, our beloved Prime Minister, he has announced, increased targets for solar. Every year he has increased the targets for solar, and so we are seeing a tremendous opportunity in the Indian solar market itself.
So, what is your future outlook for solar industry?
I think it's going to definitely grow at more than 10% CAGR for next 10 years, and then probably it will saturate. So it's a huge market.
Before concluding this interaction, like, is there any message that you want to convey to your customers?
I would like to tell them that try to buy Indian panels, try to buy Indian inverters, try to buy Indian components, and let's promote the Indian industry. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.